Today I'm going to show you 10 side hustle that you can start now with the potential of making $1,000, which is around 18,000 rand a month. Guys, if you know me, I am going to show you how to get started, how easy it is for you to get started, the time that you would need to dedicate to your business in order for you to make money, and how difficult it can be sometimes, and also the steps and what to do in order for you to get started. And now, if you know me, I am all about teaching you guys how to catch a fish. And the first question is, what is a side hustle, guys? We do need to know what is a side hustle, guys, so that we go into something that we know. Guys, a side hustle is basically a different way to earn an extra income. So say, for example, you are working and you need extra income, you will start a side hustle, because obviously when you ask for a raise at work, they will tell you it depends on factors like your HR, your boss, your profits at work, and as well, if you look for a job at a restaurant, you'll have to work, but then there is a pay cap, as well as the shift, guys. The shift, it is something that we really do not want. So a side hustle should make you more money, it should fulfill your creativity, as well as you need to have control of your time, and you should work anywhere in the world. So there is a philosophy of making money. The law of making money says you need to bring value for someone to pay you, guys. In order for you to solve a problem, people will pay you for solving a specific problem. So go out there and look for a problem and try to solve that problem. People will pay you for that, guys. So I need to understand that there is B2C and B2B. So B2C is when you give service to a customer. B2B is when you give a service to a business. You want to give a service to a business. Now, the first one is affiliate marketing, guys. This one is a global one. So I am going to give you 10 sites where you can make money. So the first one being Amazon, guys. I already talked about this on my YouTube channel, where you sign up as an Amazon associate program, and then you can promote products from Amazon, and then this is a good one. The second one is Digistore. So you can also sign up at Digistore and make money. You go to ClickBank, you can sign up and be their affiliate as well and start promoting products from there. And then there's also AI software that you can promote, something like Adobe Express, something like 11 Labs, guys. There's so many, especially these days, that you can also promote, like BookBolt, where you can actually write a book, or even low content books as well. So also Hookos, with this one you can create, you can promote, it creates websites. So you can promote crypto exchanges as well, guys. This is where you share the link, and then when people buy, you actually get a certain percentage from whatever amount they spend on these crypto exchanges. So you can use Luna, you can use Coinbase, my favorite being Binance, guys. So the sixth one is domain and web hosting, guys. You can use Bluehost, you can use GoDaddy. There's so many of them, and then there's, you can, as you can see from this list, there's IONS as well, which you can promote. My favorite one being GoDaddy and Bluehost. Even Google has something similar to this, so you can also promote something like this, web hosting as well. So you can even check in your country and promote those ones. So the next one is Upwork, Fiverr. So this one, guys, it is for freelancers. If you know someone who's a graphic designer, they can actually sign up, and then you can make money from that. So as a Fiverr freelancer, you can promote, you can write books, you can just promote people who are already working for Fiverr, who have subscribed, and then they can make money because you recommended someone for logos, for different things. So the next one is an email list. So there's AVBOB, there's many, guys. There's also MailChimp, which you can also promote, guys. There's a lot, guys. So if you look at this one, you'll see that this one is an AVBOB one. There's many, guys. You just have to go and look. You can also promote Shopify. So if you know Shopify, so most websites, especially that are selling products, they are using Shopify. So you can also promote something like that. And then there's also Live Good, guys. So with Live Good, it's not necessarily an affiliate, but then there is a product site which you can join. So if you go to website, you would see that you will get a link to promote the products there as well. So the last one, this is only for South Africans, it's AVBOB, where they are selling funeral covers, they are selling tombstones. So you can also promote something like that, which is also something that we can do as South Africans. assistants. Guys, when you go to Fiverr, you'll see that there are people who are actually virtual assistant. What is a virtual assistant? You actually assist someone who has a business and want help to take care of the admin, email, or maybe answering questions on their social media. So you just have to go and approach, or you can sign up and go to Fiverr, and then people will find you there. But it is better to approach companies as well. So the next one, you can design website design. Most companies need websites, so you can use the site Hookos, and then you can create a website within 15 minutes. But do learn the skill, guys, because you are going to make money. So you can create short form videos. Guys, if you check YouTube shorts, you'll see that there's videos like this, and also on TikTok you will see videos like this, motivational videos. So if you know how to create these videos, you can actually give to people who are creating content. And then you can also create a course. This one I like because you just have to use your skill. If you are good at cooking, you can record videos, upload in Skillshare, and then people will pay you just to teach them how to cook. And if you are good with woodwork, it doesn't matter what you are good at, just upload on Skillshare. You can also teach English. There's so many sites where you can teach English. You just need to get the certificate, and then after that certificate, guys, it is a TEFL certificate, and then you'll be able to teach online. Some, they don't need that. There's also print on demand, where you actually printing t-shirts. Basically, you design a design and then you register on Printify, and then they will actually sell and print and deliver the t-shirts on your behalf, guys. The next one, you can be a middleman. I like this one because Steve Jobs and Jeff Bezos actually said you do not need to know the skills, but you can get people who know the skills, and then they can tell you what they do. You'll find customers and connect them to the professionals, guys. The next one is a thumbnail design. So with a thumbnail design, YouTubers like Mr. Beast, you see the thumbnail, it is looking good. If you know how to do this, it is a demand right now where YouTubers are paying people to create thumbnails for them. So this is something that I would also pay for someone to do it for me, but only when I start having money. You can also create a YouTube channel. I've said it so many times, guys, that you need to create a YouTube channel. If you look at this on Social Bait, this is how much Mr. Beast is making on YouTube, guys. This is something that you can also make on YouTube, guys. So yeah, guys, these are the ways you can make money online. And if you need help, guys, I do offer one-on-one classes. You can actually book a session with me, and then we can talk in detail on what you want to focus on, and then I would guide you on how to get started on that. But then the one-on-one class, the fee, if you are international, you can pay using PayPal, crypto, $10. But then if you are in South Africa, you can pay just 200 Rand, and then I would set up time and teach you how to get started on these different things, specifically where you want to focus on. So yeah, guys, these are 10 side hustles you can start. And have you noticed that 95% of this, you actually do not need money to get started? You only need money for Live Good, which is $50 once off, and then you can start promoting their product. And if someone joins, you can make money. And all these links you will find on the video description. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you did enjoy and find value in this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to comment, especially commenting, guys, and don't forget to like the video. Thank you so much for watching.